Here is a beginner-level research and development manager quiz that covers prototyping and advanced material development, scientific publications and thought leadership, and innovation pipeline and disruptive technology introduction. Let's go! Question 1. What is the main purpose of prototyping in R&D? A. To increase the cost of production. B. To immediately launch a final product to the market. C. To test and refine product concepts before mass production. And D. To avoid testing new ideas. Answer: to test and refine product concepts before mass production. Question 2. Which of the following is a key advantage of rapid prototyping? A. Faster identification of design flaws. B. Higher cost of material development. C. Increased production waste. And D. Reduced innovation opportunities. Answer: faster identification of design flaws. Question 3. Which type of prototype is used for testing mechanical properties and material performance? A. Digital prototype. B. Functional prototype. C. Marketing prototype. And D. Concept sketch. Answer: functional prototype. Question 4. What is advanced material development in R&D focused on? A. Avoiding high-tech materials in product design. B. Using only existing materials to lower production costs. C. Reducing the need for laboratory testing. And D. Creating new materials with improved properties for industrial use. Answer: creating new materials with improved properties for industrial use. Question 5. Which of the following is an example of advanced material development? A. Developing a new lightweight metal for aerospace applications. B. Improving social media advertisements. C. Redesigning a company's office space. And D. Increasing the number of employees in R&D teams. Answer: developing a new lightweight metal for aerospace applications. Question 6. Why are scientific publications important in R&D? A. They are used only for internal company records. B. They help share new discoveries and validate research findings. C. They increase the cost of R&D projects. And D. They prevent researchers from collaborating with external experts. Answer: they help share new discoveries and validate research findings. Question 7. Which type of publication is commonly used to share scientific R&D breakthroughs? A. Internal office memos. B. Social media posts. C. Research journals. And D. Company newsletters. Answer: research journals. Question 8. What is the benefit of publishing scientific papers in peer-reviewed journals? A. It prevents industry collaboration. B. It allows researchers to skip laboratory testing. C. It replaces the need for patents. And D. It ensures research findings are credible and validated by experts. Answer: it ensures research findings are credible and validated by experts. Question 9. Which of the following is an example of thought leadership in R&D? A. Presenting groundbreaking research at international conferences. B. Reducing the number of R&D employees. C. Avoiding discussions on future technologies. And D. Limiting communication with the scientific community. Answer: presenting groundbreaking research at international conferences. Question 10. What is the role of innovation pipelines in R&D? A. Eliminating the need for product testing. B. Managing the process from idea generation to market-ready products. C. Reducing the number of research projects in a company. And D. Slowing down the research process to avoid risks. Answer: managing the process from idea generation to market-ready products. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following is not a phase in an innovation pipeline? A. Idea generation. B. Concept development. C. Ignoring market feedback. And D. Prototyping and testing. Answer: ignoring market feedback. Question 12. What is disruptive technology? A. A breakthrough innovation that significantly changes an industry. B. A technology that improves only existing processes. C. A minor adjustment to a current product. And D. A method of reducing company expenses. Answer: a breakthrough innovation that significantly changes an industry. Question 13. Which of the following is an example of disruptive technology? A. An increase in factory workers' wages. B. A new logo design for a company. C. Minor updates to an existing marketing campaign. And D. The invention of smartphones replacing traditional mobile phones. Answer: the invention of smartphones replacing traditional mobile phones. Question 14. What is a key challenge in developing disruptive technologies? A. Market resistance and adoption uncertainty. B. Lack of technological advancements. C. The need to reduce employee engagement. And D. Eliminating all forms of prototyping. Answer: market resistance and adoption uncertainty. Question 15. Which of the following is a major driver of disruptive innovation? A. Employee satisfaction surveys. B. Advances in artificial intelligence and automation. C. Changes in office layout. And D. Reducing scientific research investments. Answer: advances in artificial intelligence and automation. Question 16. Why do companies invest in disruptive innovation? A. To avoid market competition. B. To maintain outdated technologies. C. To create entirely new markets or significantly improve existing ones. And D. To decrease innovation efforts. Answer: to create entirely new markets or significantly improve existing ones. Question 17. Which industry has been significantly transformed by disruptive innovation? A. Traditional retail stores with no online presence. B. Office cleaning services. C. Manual paper-based accounting. And D. Transportation with ride-sharing apps. Answer: transportation with ride-sharing apps. Question 18. Which factor increases the chances of success in disruptive innovation? A. Strong market research and consumer demand analysis. B. Avoiding technology advancements. C. Limiting research collaboration. And D. Reducing funding for new ideas. Answer: strong market research and consumer demand analysis. Question 19. What is the role of R&D managers in disruptive innovation? A. Avoiding collaboration with startups and universities. B. Stopping research on future trends. C. Leading teams in developing breakthrough technologies. And D. Eliminating innovation pipelines. Answer: leading teams in developing breakthrough technologies. Question 20. Which strategy helps introduce disruptive technologies successfully? A. Avoiding product testing. B. Gradually building consumer trust and adoption. C. Ignoring competitor innovations. And D. Sticking only to traditional business models. Answer: gradually building consumer trust and adoption. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.